Hey everybody, Matt Timms back here. If you are just tuning in, I would love, for the first time, I'd love for you to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. And I just wanted to do a quick review video on a Chrome extension that I just started using, and I thought some of you might enjoy using it. If you are just kind of still hearing about cryptocurrency, it's not as buzzy as it was before. But if you're still kind of considering how do I dabble in this without risking a lot of money, this is a great option for you. It's called CryptoTab, and you can get it at the link below this video. Basically, what happens is it'll monitor, live conversion Bitcoin to dollar, and it is a free Chrome extension that I've just left running about 12 hours. A couple times when I've been doing menial task labor, I've been able to turn the Bitcoin mining up maximum. I will say it definitely uses your processing power up. So if you're doing anything besides word processing, this is not a good option to have it up. Few video calls I've had to turn it off, otherwise it has been super laggy. That being said, the speed of mining is noticeable increase when you do one over the other. And then what's nice about the Chrome extension, you can always remove it if you'd like. And as long as you have it synced to either your Facebook account or your Google account, it will save everything for you that it's mining. The way this works, to my best understanding, is you're using your computer processing power to mine Bitcoin. Technically, you're mining a different crypto that gets transferred into Bitcoin. I won't go real deep into that. But it's mining, and what will happen is CryptoTab, that you can get at the link in the description below, we'll take a cut, and then you take a cut. And then if you refer friends, there's definitely kind of an MLM affiliate vibe. If you like that kind of stuff, you can get a whole bunch of your friends to also mine this crypto at a slow rate. And then eventually it builds up and you get a whole bunch of people on there. So if you're looking for a way to just kind of dabble in crypto like me, I haven't made any big investments. I didn't make bank, but I figured over the course of a couple of months, I could build up a nice amount of change here that I can continue to dabble with just to diversify. So stray away from some of my agency work for a little bit and see what I can do. What does it hurt to try it out for you? Kind of an entry level way to get educated on what crypto is doing today with everybody talking about it. But next time I'm going to jump back into another video. The video I'm working on is going to be my toolkit for how I scale my Facebook ads agency. And I would love to hear your thoughts and questions on that, what you are looking for. So if this was your first time, make sure you subscribe to this video. If you liked it and thought it was helpful, make sure you smash that like button. If you have any thoughts or you're a crypto expert, I'd love to get you on my channel. Go ahead and comment below and I will reach out to you. But until next time, happy marketing, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to grab CryptoTab at the link in the description. Peace out.